Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to extract text from a video using an AI tool.
I'm using Gemini as an AI tool, and I'll show you how to extract the code text from a video. Let me share a sample video that explains HTML lessons. I'm going to extract the code shown in the video. You need to open the video in high resolution, at least 720p, which should be good. Using a screenshot capturing app like Snipping Tool, you can take a screenshot of the code you need to extract. Next, you need to upload the screenshot to Gemini and request it to convert the code lines from the image into text format. Here we go. You can see the extracted code. You can easily copy the code and use it for your work. Like this, you can extract any text lines or code from a video using AI. See? AI makes our life easier. I have used the Gemini AI tool here, but you can try this with ChatGPT as well. However, I found some issues when uploading the image to ChatGPT, so I recommend using Gemini instead. If you think you got a valuable tip from this video, share it with others. Also, subscribe, click the bell icon, and stay tuned. You'll get more tips and knowledge related to IT. Let's see from another video. Until then, stay safe and make your life smarter with IT.